In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create sub-accounts in QuickBooks Online. If you want to keep your chart of accounts more organized and make your financial tracking more detailed, creating sub-accounts is a very helpful feature. Sub-accounts let you group related accounts under a main parent account, which makes your records easier to read and your reporting more structured. To get started, go to the left-hand menu in QuickBooks Online and click on Accounting. From there, select Chart of Accounts. This is where all of your existing accounts are listed, including your assets, liabilities, income, and expenses. If you already know which main account you want to organize further, this is where you'll set that up. Once you're in the Chart of Accounts section, look to the top right corner and click the New Account button. This will open the account creation window where you can enter the details for your new sub-account. Start by entering the account name. Choose a name that clearly describes the purpose of the sub-account, so it's easy to recognize later. After that, select the account type. This part is very important because the account type must match the type of the parent account you plan to place it under. For example, if your parent account is an expense account, then the sub-account also needs to be an expense account. Then choose the appropriate detail type. This helps QuickBooks categorize the account more specifically. Next, check the box labeled Make this a sub-account. Once that box is selected, you'll see the parent account drop-down become available. Open that drop-down and choose the main account that you want this new sub-account to fall under. This connects the new account to the correct parent account and keeps your account structure neatly organized. After you've filled everything out and confirmed that the account type matches the parent account, click Save. Your new sub-account will now appear nested under the main account in your chart of accounts. As a quick tip, using clear naming conventions can make a big difference, especially if you manage multiple categories or departments. Keeping sub-accounts organized from the start can save time later when reviewing transactions or running reports. And that's how to create sub-accounts in QuickBooks Online. Once you've done it a few times, the process becomes very quick and can really help improve the way you manage your books.